Hi, my name is Paul Kim. I'm with Airsoft Atlanta, and this is a quick look at the G&G CM16 Raider Short. This gun comes in two different colors. It comes in black and tan. It has an extendable stock from 31 inches to 35 inches. It also comes with a 450 round magazine. It shoots at 370 feet per second. And this gun also comes in a combo pack, which comes with a battery and a charger. This gun also features a rail system right out of the box. For more information about this gun, please check out our website, airsoftatlanta.com. Thank you.